Hello and welcome, new Forerunner. My name is Joel. I'm the co-founder of MintFore NFT and member of the 888 Inner Circle, which includes the likes of Gary Vee, Steve Aoki, Paris Hilton, Pac, Blau, and Beeple. Yes, the guy who casually sold an NFT for 69 million, plus many more notable members. While that's cool and all, at the end of the day, I'm a b-boy, a breakdancer, as you may know.
You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the cold wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tens. Used to be a
who happens to love all things business with many years of e-commerce experience and now obsessed with the NFT space. But enough about me, right? We are excited to have you here in this growing space. And now you may still be wondering, what is a non-fungible token? Isn't it a JPEG or simply a piece of art? That's the common outsider view. We look crazy to everyone else. That's a fact. One day you're going to have that talk with your normie friends, as we say in this space, and they will give you that crazy look. But I'd like to invite you to think of them as verifiable contracts or proof of ownership that are unique and cannot be replaced. Yes, the NFT space started out with being verifiable JPEGs, but it's rapidly evolved to so much more than that in an extremely short amount of time. Now NFTs have utility to them, so the most common being a part of a community, so tokenized tribalism, if you will.
One of us, okay? That's one of us. Google gobble, one of us. We accept that one of us. Google gobble, one of us. We accept that one of us. Google gobble.
So not only is financial currency involved, but also social currency. So humans like to flex on each other. This behavior is not going to change. Can you imagine what the rich are doing in the NFT space?
Hey fellas, look what I found in my pocket. Look, a year's salary right here. What I call them? Fun coupons. See that? A fun coupon. I'm on the sloop, John B.
Yep, you guessed it, flexing on each other and buying the most expensive NFTs out there. However, beyond the clout lies far more utility than most can keep up with. So NFTs can be used as tickets to anything, exclusive communities, gaming, passive income for holding, early access to other NFTs, and as your identity in numerous metaverses. This is all very exciting to be part of. Not long ago, the internet became the greatest equalizer we have ever known. Now you can take advantage of the next greatest equalizer for yourself and your family. But before I get too excited about how this space is going to change your identity, literally and figuratively, throughout this course, I'll be your primary guide walking you through the land of NFTs. So to set expectations clear right away, here is what we plan to accomplish together. 1. We're going to walk through purchasing our first cryptocurrency that is most utilized in the NFT space. 2, we're going to set up a wallet that you will transfer into from an exchange. This allows you to use your cryptocurrency to actually purchase an NFT. And 3, we're going to purchase our very first NFT. And finally, we will go over how to sell an NFT should you want to liquidate. Yes, this is a bird's eye view summary, but by the end of the 101, you'll know what you're doing and light years ahead of the world population. So welcome, Forerunner, to the new world of NFTs. I'll see you on the next chapter.